Here's the big thing. ChatGPT success relies on what is referred to as prompt engineering. You saw that at the bottom of the slide a moment ago where it said prompt engineering. It's a very important word. It's also an opportunity for people to build their businesses. So prompt engineering is basically the process of creating and refining the prompts that guide the ChatGPT to get you the output that you're looking for. So basically, really simply, is by carefully crafting a prompt, you will be able to get or generate more accurate, relevant, and creative outputs. And there are other tools out there that are using this, and they're iterating on top of that so they can get you better things. And oftentimes that's why those paid platforms are charging you, is because they're also more secure. So let me give you an example. How do you ask a genie for what you want, right? So, hey, genie, I want to be rich. All right. So I might get something like that, or I might become this guy, Rich Paul, right? Because I'm so broad in the way I asked the question. I was like, I want to be rich, and I might get the Rolls Royce and the gold, but then, I might have something horrible happen around my family or friends. Like, the thing about it is, and I always think of that movie Bedazzled, where he kept trying to ask the devil for the wish because he couldn't get it right. And that's really what's humorous about this is, now if I say, hey, genie, I want to have $10 million in cash in my account and 10 million in stock. I want my family and friends should all be healthy, and no abnormal occurrences should happen to me, my family, the planet, or the universe. Okay, that is really what is prompt engineering.